I'm James Thomas. I'm the new Director of Children's Services here in Newham. We want you to help shape the vision and priorities for Children and Young People Services for next year and beyond.
And the way we're going to do that today is through your energy and your participation. It's not going to be any PowerPoints, any talks, whatever. It's all going to be, the ideas are all going to be generated from you.
And the world's all right with me.
The challenges that we face in Children and Young People Services are huge, and I think our frontline staff probably understand best of all what those challenges are and how we can do things better.
Greater access to mental health services in a school setting, so early intervention for mental health.
Community engagement to support safeguarding.
Service users being able to access social services and making that a lot easier for them.
Joint working, so sharing a database so all services can have access to the same data.
Involving the private sector more. We talked about social workers in schools and in community centres as well.
High quality activities for children in Newham, both holidays and weekends.
Ask young people what it is that they want and listen to that.
Just one look at you, and I know it.
So I believe strongly that everything that we achieve in Children and Young People Services is down to our staff. And so I very much want to be in touch with what they're thinking, what they think we should do differently, what they think we can do better, what they think we should stop doing.
For ours is retention of staff, so we want stability within the borough for our children and families. So we want competitive rates of pay, we want clear development plans from when we join, exit interviews when we leave so you know why we've left.
Developing social media, and we focus on an app for young people in Europe.
A holistic approach to improve services and outcomes and bridge the gap between private and public.
Is amazing creative multi-agency co-located teams in a number of spots across the borough.
Better training for teachers about child's mental health difficulties.
We can harness all the expertise that are in this room. We can have podcasts, we can have videos, all there, so that when you have a case that comes to you, there is no recourse. You can say, wow, look at all these resources that can help me. We don't have to duplicate that work.
It was a very interesting, interactive day. It was very well structured, very well facilitated, an unusual way of doing it, and it meant everybody engaged and I felt that everybody had an opportunity to express what they wanted to in a very creative way.
Lots of shared thinking, which I think was very important.
I think it was really insightful to meet other people from other services, and it was really interesting that we have common issues as well as common goals.
So I came in a cynic, and I've actually left heartened.
So when you ask your ideas, all of a sudden we're all stakeholders and we're all thinking cohesively together.
It's quite reassuring to know people have got the same kind of hopes for Newham, and we all want to work towards.
When things actually do change because of days like this, it makes everything worthwhile.